What if someone handed you a cheat code for wealth? 40 brutal truths that took one man 44 years to learn. Today on WealthMind AI, we break down every single one of them. Stay till the end, because truth number 40 will completely change how you see your life. Truth number 1. Don't make the mistake of becoming great at something you hate. Most people waste years mastering skills they despise, just because they think they have to do everything. Here is the real secret. When you get really good at what you love, you can hire other people to handle the rest. Today with AI tools and automation, this is easier than ever. Stop grinding on the wrong thing. Delegate what drains you. Invest your energy only where you shine, because that is where real wealth is created. Truth number 2. Go to bed and wake up at the exact same time every day. Your sleep schedule is your most underrated wealth-building tool. Billionaires don't have magical abilities. They have consistency. A fixed wake time builds your focus, sharpens your discipline, and leads to better financial decisions every single day. Miss sleep, miss money. The longer you stay consistent, the more this compounds into greatness. Truth number 3. Your body is the only one you have. Take care of it. Every smart investor protects their assets. But here is what most people miss. Your body generates every single dollar you will ever make. When you are healthy, you have 1,000 goals. When you are sick, you have only one. Get healthy. Most people treat their body like a beat-up old car, when it is actually $1 million thoroughbred horse. Energy equals output. Output equals income. Start treating your health like your highest yield investment. Truth number 4. Stay close to people that want more for you, not from you. Your network is your net worth, but only if the right people are in it. Energy vampires steal your time, your focus, and your ambition. I grew up surrounded by people who only took, and it was only when I did a friend inventory and removed those people that everything changed. One mentor who believes in your potential outperforms 10 friends who quietly doubt you. Audit your circle like you audit your investment portfolio, ruthlessly. Truth number 5. Normalize leaving people in whatever reality they have chosen. Stop arguing with people who are committed to being average. Stop trying to convince people who ask why you need more. That energy spent convincing others is energy stolen directly from your future. I used to get frustrated. Now I simply let them stay in the reality they chose. I don't argue. I don't react. I just focus on my lane. And once in a while, they come back and ask how you did it. Truth number 6. Being humble is not about thinking less of yourself. It is about thinking of yourself less. Real confidence is not arrogance. Thinking small serves nobody. The wealthiest, most impactful people are deeply service-oriented. They think big, act big, and lift others as they rise. Put other people first, but never shrink yourself. Your boldness is what inspires others to believe in themselves. Truth number 7. You get tested the most right when it is your time to level up. I have seen this over and over again. When I was recording my book, one got the flu. When I was about to hit a new personal record at the gym, I injured myself. When I was about to have a record month in business, someone quit. Right when you are about to break through, something in your life happens. In those moments I always remind myself, this is God asking me, do you really want this? Prove it. Truth number 8. Improving yourself daily is the only addiction you need. Just 1% better every day. That is the compound interest of personal development. In 365 days at 1% daily growth, you become 37 times more capable than you are today. This is not just motivation. This is mathematics. Optimize yourself like you optimize a portfolio. Daily, consistently, without stopping. And if you have a setback, that is okay. Just keep moving forward. Truth number 9. You teach people how to treat you. If someone cancels a meeting and you say nothing, they will keep canceling. If someone responds to your text, but you wait for an email, that confusion is on you. You have to set your standard clearly, communicate your preference firmly, and then hold that standard without exception. The moment you allow bad behavior once without addressing it, that becomes the new normal. Wealthy people command respect not by demanding it, but by modeling it. Truth number 10. It is better to admit you walked through the wrong door than to spend years in the wrong room. We are born into cities, schools, and friend groups we never chose. And instead of acknowledging that maybe this situation is not right for us, we stay. Sunk cost thinking is a massive wealth trap. The longer you stay in the wrong career, wrong relationship, or wrong business, the more expensive the exit becomes. The fastest path forward is radical honesty with yourself. Cut your losses early. Pivot fast. The wealthy are not afraid to start over.